Hi guys, today I want to tell you how to change the lens on Yi lite. It's many videos on YouTube how to change the lens on Yi 4K, and when I change the lens I look at the video how to change on 4K and I do some mistakes, and I want to make a new video about Yi lite so you will not make my mistakes. So what we have, as you can see, I have my camera. It's have a broken screen, but it's totally working. I put some scotch on this, and as you can see, touch screen is working properly. Okay. First, you should take out the battery, but it's not necessary if you will not use the heater. And also, it's better to take the card. Then we need piece of paper and this key. This is key for water pipes. You can buy it in some building shops, but I think you can use something like that. But this key is very good for this job. Also, if you have a built-in heater, it will be good to use also. But if you haven't, don't matter. You can use it without. You can do it without. Okay. What we do? As you can see, I put the screwdriver here. And it was my mistake. You just need to put the paper around this. This is the cup. This is the cup. This is a plastic cup. And what you need to do is just 1 second. Yeah, and you need to rotate in this side. Little bit push, not many. And you need to rotate in the left side. Yeah. I do it second time and it's much easier than it was the first time. Here you can see the rubber ring, and this is clips, plastic clips. And here you can see the places where this plastic go, where this plastic clips go. Okay, when you get this, you just take, if you have heater, and heat the lens, because lens made from iron. I think it's aluminium, as you can see. And when you do this, then you take again this is piece of lens, this upper piece of lens. Just put the paper again, or you can do it without the paper, because if you change the lens and it's old, then you don't matter and do it without paper. I do it without paper. And again, you hold and make the turn in this side, in the left side, counterclock. This is the new lens. I already changed it. This is the old one. As you can see, it's many scratches here, and it was the problem. As you can see, it's a thermo glue. It's 4 points. Yeah. And if you will heat, then the temperature will go to this glue and it will be easier to open. But if you haven't, don't matter, just rotate in that side. It will be hard, but you will do it. And when you take it out, you just rotate this side, and then you take a new lens. I'm buying the new lens from AliExpress. I will put the link down below. And you just rotate in this side. Then when you feel that it is set, you just need to turn on the camera. Yeah, and then you need to find the focus. How you do it? You just turn on the screen and start to find the focus. It's a little bit hard, but I think you will do that. How I do? I'm just put the camera between the wall, and I'm just put on the wall and just rotate and find what I see better, and then download that video and see if the quality is okay. Then I just take the glue, and as you can see, I put a little bit glue here on the top, and a little bit glue here on the down, and it's enough. The lens is stable, it's not rotate. And then I just put this plastic cap on the top like this. Oops, sorry. You need to find these clips in the places. I think it will go here. Yeah, it's on the place. You can see it's rotate, but not to the end. If you want, you also can put a little bit glue here, and it will be hold also this couple, but I will not do that. I think this video helped you to change the lens, and if you like it, please put a like and